Yes, good afternoon everyone. My name is Fulgens Leonard, and today I'm going to speak about Milwaukee brace and its advantages, its uses, and how we are going to use Milwaukee brace to correct the deformity, and how we are going to do these exercises with Milwaukee brace and also without Milwaukee brace. There is some exercise a patient can do with Milwaukee brace and patient cannot do without Milwaukee brace. So I'll show clearly, and then we are going to see how we are going to see these exercises clearly. So I'm going to explain on the board, and you are going to see these exercises and you are going to check. I'll just demonstrate to you without a model though, but it will be quite clear and how we are going to do this. These are the exercises done with Milwaukee brace. Breathing exercise, postural correction drills, pelvic tilts, isometric abdominal exercises. This exercise, the breathing exercise you see here, this can be done on a patient while wearing this brace. One among the deep breathing exercise, so we can see patient can wear it and still can perform these exercises. I don't have a Milwaukee brace here. I could demonstrate it clearly, but in a short way, I can just say this Milwaukee brace can be used in this postural drainage, this breathing exercise, postural correction drill, through mirror feedback, how to correct the posture. Patient can stand on the mirror and correct the posture and see if he's in the correct posture, and if he's in the correct posture or in the wrong posture, he can correct himself. If he's in the correct posture, then he can maintain the posture, and Milwaukee brace, it can provide this extension and forces in the spine, which they can make sure the patient stays in the same posture for a prolonged period of time. Pelvic tilt, as we know, the part of Milwaukee brace, one of them it is the pelvic part, which it holds the pelvic. So here the patient can do various pelvic tilt exercises, and the patient here can be in a quadruped position and he can perform the pelvic tilt exercises. Also isometric abdominal exercises, patient can be either in supine position, and he can perform isometric abdominal exercise by contracting his abdomen slowly and relax, and the patient can count 1 to 10 slowly and relax. Okay, so the other exercises, like other part of exercise that cannot be done with Milwaukee brace. Patient here has to remove the Milwaukee brace and in order to perform these exercises, because at this time the Milwaukee brace, it holds the spine, so the patient cannot perform these exercises in a clear way. At this time we can remove the Milwaukee brace and let the patient perform this exercise, and we'll give the patient the Milwaukee brace after performing these exercises. And these exercises are spinal mobility exercise, cat and core exercise, the stretch, child pose exercise, strengthening exercise of the spine, stretching exercise of hamstring, side bending. At this time, we know the hamstring, they are located at the behind of the back, behind of the leg. So these exercises, they can be done without patient wearing this Milwaukee brace. Also balance exercise like heel to toe, walking in one leg, standing, because at that time the patient has to hike his pelvic. So because we have that pelvic part of the Milwaukee brace, which it holds the pelvis, so it will be hard a patient to perform this exercise while wearing the Milwaukee brace. So it's advisable to educate the patient on where to wear Milwaukee brace while doing exercise and where to do not wear Milwaukee brace while doing exercise. These are some of the exercises the patient can perform with and without Milwaukee. As we have seen the exercise that the patient can perform without wearing the brace, as I mentioned them there. So we have to advise the patient clearly, and we have to make sure the patient follows our command on how he has to perform these exercises, because here we are correcting the posture, the scoliosis posture. So in this way, we have to make sure the patient does not do any mistake, because it can take long to correct this posture, or it can lead to another formation of another deformity. So and we have to tell the patient after performing this exercise without Milwaukee breath, he has to rewear the brace immediately after exercise. Thank you.